Said Sundays are for builds, and we are here at Precision Automotive Current with our team, Herbert and myself, and of course the cameraman here. As you can see, we have replaced all the coils, but the misfire is still there, and it's really irritating us. Yeah, it's still got some smell, some burning smell of fuel. We want to find out where the smell is coming from. As you can see, even the intake, the air intake is gone. Yeah, and it was retapped very badly. Yeah, I don't want to leave anything to chance with this car because it's a car that I don't want it to come back to the garage. Yeah, and we have already started with the interior. We have already done the the heat shields and the soundproofing. We are already doing the soundproofing everywhere. Even the bonnet has got a heat shield behind this particular cover. Yeah, so this car has got an M50 engine, 2.5 liter M50 2500cc M50 engine, naturally aspirated. So we have two options that we can work with. I am of the idea that we use the same engine, put a turbo, put a better throttle response system, bigger fuel pump to increase the horsepower of this car. Also, I don't like the way it sounds. We need to work with the exhaust system to make it sound to have it like that power. Hubbard is of the idea that we go for
An M20.
Is of the idea that we go for an M20 engine that is comes with the same 2.5 liter engine with a bigger
intake and a bigger throttle.
bigger intake, bigger throttle, and a better fuel injection system, right? But I'm of the idea, let's build the same engine. So what do you guys think? In our episode 2, what do you guys think? Comment down below. Give us your thoughts on what you think that, we need to do in the car. And we will give it a thought and make sure we get the best result possible out of this.
From the continuation of where we left the other time, we were talking about on how we can increase the horsepower of this engine by improving its throttle response, having a bigger manifold. But upon conclusions and upon further discussions with the relevant authorities, tumeamua I want to do away with this engine and put a more powerful one. And instead of just upgrading this one from having a smaller intake to a bigger intake, from having a poor throttle to a better throttle, tumeamua it's better we just do away with this engine and put a more powerful engine yenye hata ukisikia mungurumo pale kwa barabara unajua mnyama ya green inaingia. Yeah, so this is an M50 with a 2.0 producing up to around 180 HP, but we want to put a more bigger engine that will produce up to more than 250 horsepower to 300, at least to do how this one will behave. So the engine is on the way coming, so this one we want to do away with it, but we'll put it on another car, an E36. For the amount of horsepower I want to put in this car, the rear suspension of this car can't really hold the amount of power that we want to put in this car. So for that, itabidi tumeshukisha this rear suspension from the Gradle, tuweke more thicker shafts, tuweke diff yenye ita hold power inatoka kwa hiyo gearbox, tuweke disc kubwa kidogo, the ones that have some perforations, and put a more stronger Gradle. Hii ni weak because of the amount of power ilikuwa inatoka kwa hiyo engine, but because unataka kuweka engine kubwa, you have to upgrade this system, tuweke diff ingine, shaft ingine, and everything to do away with this rear suspension, because these are rear wheel drive. Yeah, that's where we've reached. So today we want to put a new Gradle complete from the shaft, disc, and the differential and everything to do with the rear suspension except the shocks, so that it can hold the power that will be produced by the engine that we want to put there. So in a few hours time, another engine will be coming and we'll show you how it looks like and the amount of power it produces. For the interior, we've stripped everything. The car is barely naked, like naked, literally naked. Want to do with the infotainment system, want to upgrade the infotainment system, put new speakers, and put some soundproof. You see, there's some soundproof. Nikiwa ndani mimi ndo niko muziki peke yangu, si interfere with the external environment. So that's why we've reached to share zeka ma speaker mpya. You can show them the kind of speakers to share install. And we continue with the wiring process for the infotainment system. Tutaweka screen hapo kana make sense, and the AC system will be on. This is an old car, but we still have a project of having a very responsive AC and AC that is very functional. So this is a project that is going to be done in 4 days. It's unbelievable, but 4 days will be done with this car.
So here we are. We have just removed this engine and the gearbox. Yeah. We thought initially that this engine is M50 2.5 liter, right?
Sure.
But it's actually an M50 2-liter engine, as you can see here. Where was it? Where is it indicated here? Here, right here. So you can see it's a 2.0 engine, 2.0 liter. Now, to my standards, that's a sluggish engine
Sure.
for this car. And what we are going to do, we are going to do something really interesting. And this build will be one build of its kind and a very, very interesting build. Yeah. What you're going to do is I've already ordered an engine, which is an M52 B25 engine.
Yeah.
So an M52 B25, that is 2500 cc engine, and we will not stop there. What we are going to do with that engine is we are putting a stroker kit for the M54
3.0.
B30.
Yeah.
M54 B30. So what do we mean by stroker kit? Stroker kit means the crankshaft that you're going to use will be for the M54 B30, right?
Yeah.
That's what we are going to do.
That's what we're going to do.
Yeah, and we are going to make sure that this engine we will retain it as naturally aspirated, like no need of the turbos and everything. And you can see how the car looks. So some serious modifications will go into this car. Yeah, we'll have to replace the harness, of course, but we'll use the same ECU, right?
We use the same computer. Have to replace the harness, and the other engine will come with a bigger manifold and a better throttle. And for the stroker kit, we have to replace, when we're talking about stroker kit and putting a stroker kit for M54 B30, it means it will have a better power because you'll have a bigger crankshaft. We'll replace the pistons. We'll have to replace the crankshaft, the camshaft, both camshaft, the inlet and the exhaust one. Some people always say it's impossible, but for us it will be possible.
Yeah,
No
and
matter of 2 days.
what's more important, what we're trying to achieve is the low end torque, right?
Yeah.
When you go for a higher stroker kit, the low end torque you will get will be it will be substantially greater, right? And what's more we are doing is we are redoing the whole exhaust. As you can see now, the car is a shell. It's a total shell because we are redoing the whole exhaust system. Yeah. So it's a total naked car, totally naked. Yeah. But now here is the thing. You see, when you replace that engine, right? When you replace the engine and you give more car to the power, will the current setup handle that power?
Now for that, we've opted to replace the open diff with an
closed diff.
LSD, limited slip differential, and this means it will come with a better traction. It will come with a better traction, and that means we won't have this slipping during muddy seasons. Better acceleration,
Yeah.
and
And you see, guys, you can't just replace the LSD, that is the limited slip differential. You also have to put the subframe. Yeah. So the whole subframe, you can see the difference. It's quite different than this.
yeah.
We are replacing the whole subframe with the LSD. Put everything here, and because this car I want to be having 2 sets of tires, one for the weekend and one for the drifting.
Yeah.
So with the LSD, drifting will work perfectly.
Perfect.
Yeah. So you can see we have dismantled the whole car and everything. So stay tuned to our journey, and we will be showing you the whole cost implications and everything. By the way, guys, as we speak, because I've put new tires, we'll have to put upgraded braking systems.
Yeah.
As we speak, the way you see the car with this shell, I have already spent like close to 500,000 plus. That is without the cost of buying the car. So builds are expensive.
Sure, but they are worth it.
Yes.